of you open page 94. Here we can see choose the correct answer session. These questions belong to the story itself. So children, we can read out one by one and find out the answers. Let's start. First one, Amit was. Here see three options are there. Good at his work and at sports. A mean boy. Not afraid of anything. Not afraid of anything, Amit? No. Amit was afraid of darkness. So, a mean boy? No. Next one. The right answer is good at his work and at sports also. He is a very obedient boy. Next one. Amit's teacher announced that they were going on a camping trip to the amusement park to the museum. What is the right answer here? On a camping trip? Yes. She was announced in the classroom. All of the class going to on a camping trip. To the amusement park? No. To the museum? No. The right answer is on a camping trip. 2 whole days and nights. Next one. When he thought about the trip, Amit felt. How Amit was felt? Excited, scared, disappointment. No, he was not excited for that. Not at all disappointed. But he was very scared about that. Why? Because Amit was afraid of the dark. That's why he was scared. Next one. When Vijay told Amit he was scared of the dark, Amit. The right answer is made him feel better. Why? Because Vijay was a very toughest boy. Toughest means children, strongest boy in the classroom. So that Amit felt little bit happy. Next one. Amit promised not to tell anybody about this incident because he had also been scared of the dark and knew how Vijay was feeling. So, who was afraid of the dark in that night? Vijay. So that Amit, he had also been scared of the dark, knew how Vijay was feeling. That is the right answer. Moving on to next page, page 95. The present continuous tense. Complete these sentences with the present continuous tense of the words given in brackets. Before starting that, what is present continuous tense? Once have a look. All continuous tenses are formed with a helping verb plus a main verb having an ing. The verb phrases in the present continuous tense is formed with is or am plus ing verb. The present continuous tense indicates an action that is going on at the time of speaking or writing. Present continuous tense. She is jumping. We are jumping. I am jumping. See children here, few more examples and how to usage in the present continuous tense. Actions happening now. Actions happening now. Example, he is playing football now. He is playing football now. Okay. Next one, actions that is already planned. Planned actions. He is watching movie with his friend next Sunday. Okay. In the future tense. For changing situations. For example, the climate is getting hotter each year. Each year, the climate is getting hotter. Okay. Next one. For expressing time at the moment of speaking. Example, we are performing our duty at the moment. Okay. So, coming back to page 95 in textbook. Here see children, first one, the ducks are swimming in the pond. The ducks are swimming in the pond. Here, red color word in the bracket, swim. They are given swim verb. So the ducks plural form. So that helping verb or swim plus ing form. Okay, that is called present continuous tense. Okay, or swimming. The ducks are swimming in the pond. Here see children, few more examples of present continuous tense. This tense has two words, be plus ing. Here subject I, verb be, main verb ing form. Okay, plus ing. I, verb be form given. For I, am or apostrophe am. Draw plus ing form. Drawing a picture. I am drawing a picture. So like that, he, she, it. When we use he, she, it, verb form is or apostrophe s. Main verb sleep plus ing, sleeping. He is sleeping in the room. He is sleeping in the room, or it is sleeping in the room. Next one, when the subject we use you, we, they, the verb is, helping verb is or apostrophe re. Watch plus ing, main verb. A film. You are watching a film. We are watching a film. They are watching a film. Because you, we, they are plural forms. So that be, in the place of be, we use are. Understand? Main verb plus ing. Add ing form. Okay, children? Moving on to next page, children. Page number 96. Here's the second one. Natasha. Be. See here, Natasha is the singular form. So that be, place of be, we use is. Not go. The red color word bracket, go. So that ing form, add main verb plus ing. Go plus ing, going. To school today. Natasha is not going to school today. Okay. Next one. Look. It rain. Rain. Here it is singular form. So that we shall use here is as helping verb and main verb plus ing. Rain plus ing. Raining. Look. It is raining. Understood? Next one. Be. So here you. Just now we learned you, be, place. We shall use are. Why? Because you plural form. So that we shall use here are. Are you? Come plus ing. Coming with us. Are you coming with us? Next one. The baby bird. Here the baby bird is singular. So that helping verb is learn plus ing. Learning to fly. The baby bird is learning to fly. Okay. Next one. We. We plural form. So that we shall use here or as helping verb. Leave plus ing. Leaving for Mumbai. We are leaving for Mumbai. Next one. Anil. Anil is singular. So that helping verb is bake plus ing. Baking a cake for his friend's birthday. Anil is baking a cake for his friend's birthday. So children, these are the present continuous forms of the words. Okay. Moving on to next page, children. Page number 97. Here see, write what you and your friends were doing in art class yesterday using the clues given to you. Here red color words are given for our help. So using the clues, fill these following blanks. So this paragraph talking about completed action, children. Yesterday's one. Okay. The past continuous tense. Here the past continuous tense uses the form was or were plus verb plus ing form. Okay. Julie and I were making paper decorations by using make plus ing were before helping verb. Why? Because Julie and I, two members. So that we shall use here helping verb make plus ing, main verb plus ing form. Okay, were making paper decorations. Next one, Mana was helping us. Here help plus ing, helping, Mana only one person, so that we shall use here was. Next, same condition was applied. He was coloring the decorations. Color plus ink, coloring. Sheena was painting a picture of the pet. Okay. Paint plus ink, painting. Next one. Kabir was learning how to weave a basket. Here also learn plus ink, learning. Kabir only one person. Past form. So that we shall use here was. So this is the past continuous tense. So that's all for today's word children's tense. We use the past continuous tense to talk about an action. Action that was happening sometime in the past. It means the action began and continued for some time. But in the past it means the action is already completed. It is already over. But it continued for some time in the past. Past, for example, I was doing my homework at this time yesterday. In this sentence, we talk about an action of doing homework that is already completed. At this time yesterday, completed. We use the past continuous tense to talk about an action that was going on for some time in the past. When something else happened means here the action is already completed and that was going on for some time, and that time and another action was completed. For example, were you reading a book when I left the room? In this sentence, two actions completed. Here, when I left the room, at that time you were reading a book. It means when the action was reading was going on at that time. I left the room. So here two actions completed. The past continuous tense is very often used to show that an action was going on or continuing at a time. When something else happened, not we will read about the structure of the sentence in the past continuous tense. In past clastoronic instance, we use was and were with verbs ing form with subjects he, she, it and any proper noun. We use helping verb was with subject. I also we use was with verbs ing form. With subjects you, we, they and plural subjects. We use helping verb were with verbs ing form. It will be to you by seeing some more examples. He was playing in the garden yesterday. We were doing homework at night. I was writing when you called me. Coming back to textbook grammar children, page 97. Circle the correct verbs to complete the sentences. See, just now we learned we use was whereas person, thing and animal as singular noun. We use were whereas person, thing and animal as plural nouns. Okay. Here see first one. The train was leaving the platform when we reached the station. Here the train. The thing is in singular form, so that we use was. Leaving continuous tense. Was leaving, reached past form. Okay. That's why we select these words. The action was completed. Okay. Next one. He was playing the piano when we entered the room. He was playing. He singular, so that was past form, playing continuous tense, and the completed action entered the room. Okay, next. Karan was walking down the street when I saw her yesterday. Here also in this sentence also completed action. And next one, the birds were bathing in the bird bath when the gardener arrived. Here see birds, so birds plural form, so that we select here were. Okay, and the next one is, we were eating our dinner last night when the power went away. Here we plural form, so that we select here were eating. Were plus verb plus ing form. Okay children, went past form, past continuous tense. Okay, and the next one is, the children were making noise when the teacher came in. Here also same condition are applied. Children plural form, were making, and the came. Already action was completed, so that we select here came. Next one, Bhavana was writing a letter when the phone rang. Action was completed, was, only single person, so that we select here was plus verb plus ing form. Okay, and the past form rang. Next page 100. Complete these following blanks with EE or EA. Pronounce with EE or EA and choose the correct option for them. EE. Here EE long article sound E. EA E short article sound. So pronounce the word first, then write the correct answer. EA or EE. Okay. So that's all for today's work, children. Practice these grammar points in lesson 7. I'm not scared anymore. Write all these grammar work in your homework book and post in our WhatsApp groups. Thank you.